Everyone, hope you're doing good. If you have mistakenly changed the language in Google Chrome and you want to make English back to, in Google Chrome or any other language, if you want to change in your Google Chrome browser, and if you're unable to do so, I'll tell you the easiest way to do, and you don't have to understand that language. With the icons itself, we will be able to change the language in Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome browser, and no matter which language you have set, at the very top you will see the top right corner three dots. You need to click on that, and then you need to select the third last option. So from the last, it is the first, then the second, and then the third, like that. Let me show you again. So here, the third option. So once you click on that, a new window will appear like that. And if you have different language on here, you don't have to worry about it. Here you just need to look for an icon, which I'll show you, which is languages, where you have this globe icon. You just need to click on that. And the moment you click on that, the first option will be your language option. So here we need to click on three dots and click on move down, or you can simply click on add language and select the English from here, and you can add it for yourself. Now the moment you do it, if you see English right there, you can move up from here, move to the top, move down like that, and this option will be moved to the top, and this will be moved down, and the last one will be remove. So you can remove the different language which you are unable to understand by just clicking on that. Once you do that, you just need to close this window, and once you reopen that, your Google Chrome language will be changed. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have successfully changed the language back to English in Google Chrome. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.